I don't know. Come and see. Wait for your sister. Wait for your sister. Wait, honey. What is that?
Wow.
Wait, Taylor. Look around.
Do you see anything big?
Yeah.
What's this?
The playhouse. And the playhouse.
Yeah.
Over this present. It's like a big present. I said I come to our house. I see baby.
You did sleep good.
She was there.
Oh.
Where's on the mommy dad?
He made it. Open that stuff up. Let's go.
This one's hard.
It's gonna move. Bring it here and I'll help you. This is actually from Grandpa.
I know.
Well, let's wait to take everything out. Let's open all the presents.
Ooh.
Let's open some more presents, girls. Oh yeah.
Cool. It has a pacifier. More babies.
A crab.
Wait.
Wait, let's just give that one to your sister.
Come on, let Morgan. This one's for two. Let's have two up there.
Just wait. Open the same one.
Yeah, open that one, Taylor. That big pink one. What is that?
Come on, look.
What is that? Is that Cinderella?
See?
Yes. I love it. Taylor, what'd you did? Open it up. Is that Belle?
Oh, cool.
Taylor, you got Belle. And you guys got crabs? Yeah, well, let's open up everything before we start tearing it up. Here, open that red one, Morgan. Morgan, open that big red one right behind you. It's from Aunt Becky.
Yeah.
I don't know. Open it up and check it
Come
out.
out over here so we can see it.
They're fine. Just go right there. Open them up. Tear that paper off, baby. Come on, Morgan.
What's the matter?
Hard. Tear that paper.
Okay. Here, look it.
What's that? Awesome.
Get it for me?
Yes.
Here's the tape.
Here. Bring it to me. Here. Here, honey. Morgan, look. Morgan, look.
do that.
Yeah, what do we say?
Wait, girls, not those yet. You gotta do this big one over here first.
Do it together.
The green and white one together. Bring it out here.
Okay, open it up.
What is that? A new dollhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
Open those. Open those other ones back there.
It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Because you were good.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, you got orange goggles?
All right. Cool. Is there more stuff back there?
Yeah.
We better get back there and open it. Santa probably set it up.
Why?
I don't
Because he
know.
wanted you to have a train set.
Right there's the pink one, honey.
When I have a chicken thing.
I don't know. What's that? Cool. There's one right there, baby. Right there. Well, the girls, there's a couple more in the back there. You want to open those? Well, why don't you get those other presents back there? Let's see what Morgan got.
Another Barbie movie.
Christmas Barbie movie.
Cool.
Let's watch it tomorrow.
Okay.
Today.
Get back there and get those other presents.
And
See
a
what's in.
dancing Barbie movie.
Later. I'll open this.
Okay, you open that one. See what's in there.
Let's see what's in there. What is it?
I don't know.
Do it on the side.
Oh, it's furniture for your Barbie house.
Have kitties.
Yeah, cool. Taylor, get yours open, baby.
And then the frog and then the cows.
Oh,
And
sweet.
the kitty butter. And food.
Look, a laundry room. Cool. Okay. Well, I think there's one more back there. Why don't you guys open it up together?
Two.
Oh, okay. Well, each of you get one. All right.
Morgan. Now let's have this one.
I don't know. Open it up and let's find out.
Mama got 11 presents.
You were good.
Why? Shall I put them under my tree?
Yeah. More Barbie furniture?
What is that? Ooh, a table and chairs? Ooh, what is that?
Look, it's a grill.
Wow.
Right.
Outside? Oh, wow. You guys have so much stuff to play with now, huh?
Why?
Because